guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Gini and I am a part-time fashion reseller on Poshmark and eBay. And today in this video I am going to do an unboxing of this box. I got this box from the Boutique by the Box, and if you don't know about them, they are the Liquidation clothing company. So this is the first time I'm ordering from them. So I got their sample intro box. So if you are their first customer, you can order this box for $100 and you will get 10 items. So no shipping and no taxes. So yeah, this box is for $100 and you will get 10 new with tag, new without tag items. So now, without wasting any time, let's jump into the video and open this box. So this is something like this. Oops, so let me put it down now. So this is the welcome card. Let me put it down there. Oh, I can see few of them are in packages and few of them are like that. So okay, let me see. This is Generation Love, and this is, so what I'm going to do, they have written everything over here, so I'm not going to open the bag. What I'll do, I'll just put the stock photo here so that you can see what's inside the bag. Also, I am going to reuse the bag, so that's why I'm not opening it. After the video, I'll carefully open the bag and check the quality and is there any spot or any flaw or not, and then I'll put it again back in their original packaging. This is from the Generation Love and this is new with tag. I can see the tag. And this is Isla tie-dye wet pant, and this is in size extra large, which is actually very good. And I love the purple and blue combination. So it's actually very good size and very good sweatpant. And in tie-dye, oops, so this is damaged and this is from the brand Alice and Olivia. Oh no, this is such a good brand, and this is damaged. I don't know how to show you. It has some spots here and there, and also I can see there are few thread running in, I don't know, the camera will not capture, I think, but this is the skirt, mid-length skirt, and this is in, actually you cannot see the thread run very much, but it has a spot all over the skirt. So this is actually damaged. I'll try to remove this spots, but it is new with tag. I'll try to treat this spot, and otherwise I'll try to sell it as a new with tag with defect. Okay, so this is damage. And who are you? Oh, this is Legends, I don't know how to pronounce it. And this is the bodysuit. Is this also damaged? No, please don't be damaged. I don't know, is this damaged or is this the print? Can you see the white line? So this might not be damaged, it's just a print. I think it's a print damage, if I say so. I don't know. I'll try to steam this and then I'll see. It has a padded shoulder and it's a bodysuit, and this is first time I'll be selling Legends in my closet. I have sold Alice and Olivia before and it is a good brand. So yeah, so this is new with tag. Yeah, this is new with tag, and I'll see whether it's damaged or not, but I think it's a print damage, what I can say. All right. Okay, this is Daydreamer and this is tie-dye jogger in beach view in size large. Did I tell you the size? I think the bodysuit was extra small. So yeah, this is Daydreamer tie-dye and is in size large, which is good size. Oh, okie dokie. Oh, this is Foxy Dogs. I have never sold Foxy Dogs and this is in size small and I think this is a jacket. Yeah, so this is a jacket and it got like very cute embroidery and look at the collar and oops, and look at the embroidery. So it is actually very nice. It is new with tag. So yeah, it is in its original packing. So that's good. Oh my god, I am ruining it. Okay, the next is Loom Lumiere. I don't know about this brand. Oh, okay. This is also new with. Oh, I like it. Am I showing to you guys or I am very bad in like unboxing things, so sorry if I'm not showing you. So yeah, this is the sleeve and I'll try to put the stock photo of everything. So yeah, this is the hand and it's just a plain sweatshirt with a hand embroidery and I love it. I love it. I don't know about this brand. I don't know anything actually. This is in size large, so it is actually good size. Thank you. Now the next is okay, BCBG Max Azria, and I think I have recently sold one dress from this brand, new with tag. Oh my god, it does not move in my closet. But this is a long sleeve high neck or crew neck. It's a turtleneck. So turtleneck. So this is a turtleneck long sleeve, like very soft top. So yeah, I might keep it for myself, this one, because I know it will not going to move. Let me check the. Oh, this is size small. I'm not size small. So okay, I'll see if I can get the stock photo and then. So yeah, this is the. Oh, have you ever heard about this brand? I have once, and this is Commando. And this actually sells in Revolve, and they are so good. And they, I think, generally make the. I'll put some pictures. They do one sizing, so one size fits most. And this is actually, I don't know what is this. Can I open it? This one, because I don't know what is this, and they are in different bags, so I can open it. Oh, this is bodysuit. Yeah, they are popular in bodysuits, and this is mock neck and one size made in USA. Actually, I twisted my ankle today morning and I am making this video while standing, so it's little bit, you know, I'm in pain, so that's why I'm trying to do very fast. This is Sam Edelman. I don't know, they have the style name. So this is, I think, the jeans and in size 26. So again, I will put the stock photo. Okay, now the last item is this. my favorite brand, my favorite. So this is Free People slip dress in black combo, and again I'm not going to open it, but I will show you the stock photo. Oh my god, I love selling Free People, and if it's new with tag, and this is in size large. So actually they have like given me so many size large and extra large, which is actually very good. All right, so there are 10 pieces and I am happy with my box. There are like so many brands which I have never sold, like Legends I have never sold, but I have heard so many good things. Daydreamer I have never sold and I have heard so many good things. And this Foxy Dogs, actually this is very good brand. And Commando, which is again very good brand, and all these for $100. So it is actually very good box for me. Also please let me know, should I do the 90-day update on this box, or should I do the update when I like sold everything in this box? So please let me know. And if you have any questions, you can also ask me in a comment section below. Also if you wanna order for yourself, I will put the link in the description box below where you can buy your own box. So if you are buying it for the first time, you will get it for $100. And I am not at all affiliate with them. They even don't know me that I am making this video or I exist. So yeah, this is not a sponsored video. I got this with my own money, so please don't worry about that. So yeah, I will put the link in the description box below. I'll wrap it up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. It means a lot to me. Also, you can follow me on my Instagram. I'll put my Instagram handle in the description box below. Now, bye and have a nice day.